Given that the point A is 4, 2, so A 4, 2, B has coordinates 15, 7. The line L1 passes through A and B. Find an equation for L1 in the form of Px plus Qy plus R. So let's first find out the gradient M. M is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 2, 5, over x2 minus x1, that is 15 minus 4, 11. In order to find out the equation of a line, what we need is just a gradient and any one of the point. So we know that the standard form of the equation of a line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus, I'm going to take the point A here. So y1 is 2, m is 5 over 11 into x minus x1 is 4. Cross multiply this, you will get 11 into y minus 2 is equals to 5 into x minus 4. Expanding the bracket, I'll get 11 into y is 11y minus 11 into 2 is 22 is equals to 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 4 is 20. Bring all the terms to right hand side, we will get 5x. 11y goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 11y. Minus 20, minus 22 goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive 22. 22 minus 20 will give us 2. We had to write this in the form of px plus qy plus r is equals to 0. Therefore, by comparing, we'll get ps 5, qs minus 11, and r as 2. We're done with the A part here. Now, for the B part, it's given that the point C, the line L2 passes through A and is parallel to the x-axis. So for that, I'm just going to erase this. So we need space to draw the graph here. So we have y-axis and we have x-axis as well. Now, the point A is given as 4, 2. So let this be the origin. 4, let's say here, and 2 is over here. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So point A is 4, 2. So this is A, 4, 2. Now the line L2 passes through A and is parallel to the x-axis. The line L2 passes through A and parallel to the x-axis means this is the line L2. This is the line L2 and we know this is the line L2. The point C lies on L2. The point C, let's say point C is over here, lies on L2 such that the length of BC is 5 root 5. BC. B is 15, 7. So let's say 15 is over here and 7 is over here. So 15, 7. The point B will be somewhere over here, that is 15, 7. They have given that the distance between B to C is 5 root 5. 5 root 5. See, the point C is, we don't know the x, but definitely the y coordinate is going to be 2. Because this is a line where the equation of the line L2, if we find the equation of the line L2, it is basically y is equals to 2. So here we don't know the x coordinate. We need to find out what x coordinate is, but we know the y will be definitely 2. I'm going to use the distance formula here. Distance formula 5 root 5, distance is equals to root of x2 minus x1, that is x minus 15 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 7. y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 7 the whole square. So this is, I can just square both the sides in order to remove the square root. 5 root 5 the whole square, that is basically 5 root 5 into 5 root 5. 5 into 5 is 25 and root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 25 into 5 is 125. So left hand side I have 125 and right hand side the square root and square gets cancelled. We'll be left with x minus 15 the whole square plus 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. This plus 25 goes to the left hand side. This becomes 125 minus 25, that is 100 is equals to x minus 15 the whole square. Square root both the sides, you will get square root of 100 is either plus or minus 10. Square root of x minus 15 the whole square will be x minus 15. So we can find out what x is. X is 15 plus or minus 10. That is, x can be either 15 plus 10, 25, or x can be 15 minus 10, 5. So we have two possible values for x. We need to find both the possible pair of coordinates of point C. Point C, it can be, the x values can be either 25 or 5. So C, the point C will be either, y value is not going to change because C lies on this line L2. The point C lies on this L2, so the y value is not going to change. So the coordinates of C will be either 25, 2 or 5, 2. These are the two possible pair of coordinates. Hence, find the minimum possible area of the triangle ABC. A is 4, 2 and B is 15, 7. C can be either 25, 2. Let's say 25 is over here. Let's say this is 25. This is 25 and let's say this is 5. So this is 25, 2 will be over here and 5, 2 will be over here. This is C and this can be C dash. Let's just draw the triangle and see which one is going to give us the minimum area and which one is going to give us the maximum area. So ABC and ABC dash. We need the minimum area. So to get the minimum area, which triangle should we consider? Should we consider ABC dash, or should we consider the whole thing, that ABC? So ABC or ABC dash to get the minimum area. To get the minimum area, we need to consider ABC dash. So let's erase this. The triangle that we are going to consider to find out the minimum area is this one. That is half base into height is the triangle area which we are going to use. Area of triangle is base into height divided by 2. So this is 4, this is 5. So the distance between them, that is the base, is 1. So base is 1. Height, that is, this is 2 and this is 7 here. 2 and 7, the height is 5. So 1 into 5 divided by 2. That is basically 5 over 2 or 2.5 will be the minimum possible area. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.